second recipe that chef is cooking today, and this is a very interesting recipe. He will be cooking chicken using rice flour. So this is again a master dish, minimal ingredient, blast full of flavors. It's exciting, it's very, very simple. Techniques are amazing, techniques gonna be very, very new. We will try and incorporate rice flour with chicken. So chef is almost ready, our ingredients are all set. And I think we all are bracing up for the final recipe. So after this, the testing session will start and we'll be clearing up the area for the kids to come and play.
So can you, chef, explain what dish are we cooking next?
Okay. I'm starting another recipe. It's very simple recipe. In Assamese we call Pithaguri chicken, and in English chicken cooked with broken rice, with rice powder. There is a lot of tribal community in Assam. They are cooking different way with the rice flour. Some are use alkaline, we call khar, and boil with the chicken, pork, anything on the fish also. Add the salt and the ginger, garlic, the green chili, and the black cross pepper. This
Chef,
is,
can you explain alkaline? Because alkaline here is very new thing for North. When you come to the North, we barely know about alkaline anything. Like, can you explain what is alkaline and how Northeast use it?
It's basically an alternative of salt. Before that, people used to make the khar alkaline. No, today I'm not cooking with the alkaline. Today I'm cooking with the simple rice flour curry. I explain later about khar. Okay. So what I'm doing, this is a chicken breast. This one, 2 pieces of chicken breast. And start with the little ingredients, say like raw fresh turmeric, green chili, garlic, ginger, and spring garlic. So I'm making all these things like look like this one. Already I prepared for this recipe. The green chili and the coriander leaves.
So what he's trying to do here is he's making the marinade for the chicken that he's going to stuff inside the chicken breast. So he has taken chopped ginger, chopped garlic, some chilies, coriander, and is all chopping it to combine it into a very interesting mix.
And chopping it. And with the spring garlic.
Those who have just joined, just to explain, there is a masterclass happening in the front stage area. You can join here. The masterclass about chicken from Assam by Chef Atulaka from Guwahati.
Now that is fresh turmeric. It's being chopped. That will go inside the marinade.
And chop nicely. Then after that, wait with mustard oil. Then salt. Then lemon juice.
This is an Assam lemon that he's using here. It's very juicy, very sour. It has a very nice aroma to it, which is very different from the rest of the lemons that you get.
Okay.
I'll get you.
Now I'm stopping all these things.
Does he need it? Does he need it?
And lemon if also you can.
No, but I'm sure IFTO is now working on ways to make these ingredients available
Then after that-
for Delhi residents, so
Uh-huh.
that when they want to follow your recipe very accurately, they have everything available.
Thank you. Thank
Right,
you.
Rajiv?
This is you call lai patta, and Assam we call lai patta, and all Northeast people love this one lai patta with the pork and boiled. He's happy. He's smiling because of lai patta. So what I do, I just
So he has said it's lai pata. It's a variety of mustard
mustard
green,
greens. Yes.
and it's a winter vegetable of Assam. We love our lai pat. Yes, pat is leaf and lai is the name, so lai pat. But this is from the family of mustard greens. It has a very
Then
good
finally
flavor. It has
I
a pungent smell.
wrap with this wheat, this leaf.
Chef, easy. It is really Instagram worthy what you're doing here. We should shoot that.
We have already done that in the kitchen this morning.
And
So it looks very interesting. Those who want to cover with the phone, who want to capture the picture or a video, they can. It's a
Then
very
after that,
interesting
this one
process.
I will actually in our kitchen we steam it. So I already this one, this steam one, 40 minutes steam. This one, start with all the ingredients which you love it, then you add all the things. If you love more spice, you add a lot of green chili. Don't go for the dry chili. Dry chili is not good. Specific. Okay. So I prepared all this same thing on a steamer. So now I am cooking the curry part, very simple curry. This is rice flour. Already I prepared the before because we don't have time. Time is very restricted. So this is a Joha rice, aromatic one rice from the northeast Assam. We call Joha. Finally, yeah, Joha rice. There's a nice flavor. You can see the flavor. Aroma is
We have made a paste out of
yeah, paste.
flour. You get the flour.
So what happens in a traditional Assamese household, we do not buy anything which is packaged. So we eat fresh, so it's like a half an hour work for us, and we get it all. So this variety of rice is very aromatic. This is our dearest rice. It's called choha. Choha. This has aroma. It has a good body. It has a very nutty flavor and a nice texture to it. So this is our feasting rice. It has a very beautiful aroma.
Chef Atul,
Yeah.
Chef, what is khar? I missed that part.
So
Khar is nothing. It's a very simple thing. It's basically during the May, June, July. And we prepared khar. Khar is a local alkaline, which is alternative to people of Assam using alternative salt. Before that salt is not available in our kitchen. So usually the Assamese people eat only weekend Mondays because most of the recipe from Assamese kitchen is basically acidic or chorka, katta. Then it's balancing the whole thing, the acidic and all the alkaline also.
So they counter each other basically.
Each is
But it is not just in northeastern recipes that khar is used. Khar is more popular in northeastern. It is used across the world in every food.
Yes, right now.
So, giving some example, Rajiv, I have some inputs from you. What do you think? Why is alkaline important for the body, and what does it do? How do you counter it in rest of the country?
So I think there are various ingredients in every state because we call India as sustainable and we have found alternate for every state how to fulfill that need. Nowadays, even like I should say, the most modern way of fulfilling your alkaline need in the body, one can even do it with the water. There is a machine nowadays, you can buy a machine which makes water alkaline. And you can have, it's very expensive machine, it's a gimmick. But imagine that expensive thing and such a nature approachable thing that you do it in the Assam. Banana has an alkaline?
Yeah, banana, yes.
Banana is a very easiest source of alkaline. You don't have to buy that expensive machine to have alkaline. Lemon has alkaline in it. Even
Here is a picture, I think I how they prepare them. So now I add mustard oil, say like 2-3 tablespoons for this recipe. Because induction cooker with this, it's not go with our recipe because we need a heavy base pan. So it's very slow cooking actually. In modern process, it's very difficult. But still, it's not helping our dish. We need a heavy base pan. So I'm trying to do. Because induction cooker with this, it's not go with our recipe because we need a heavy base pan. So it's very slow cooking actually. In modern process, it's very difficult. But still, it's not helping our dish. We need a heavy base pan. So I'm trying to do. No problem. It's okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. So it's first you hit the pan, then you add the garlic, the chopped garlic, and because of heat I remove from induction. Then I add the garlic. Then I add the chili powder. Green chili, you can add chili more, whatever you want. Say like 3, 4, 5 you can eat the chili. But I eat a little, one only. So, get the chili. Now you add stock. What is stock? Yeah, chicken stock, you can add chicken stock. So I add chicken stock. And boil continue. Now I mix with the rice, this one. Yeah.
Hello, chef. One question.
Yeah.
So, if we don't have chicken stock available, what other stock can be added?
You can go with the water also, there's no issue. You can go with the water. Because for this show, I use stock. Usually in our traditional kitchen, we are not using stock. So boil the water, add the chicken, then boil continue, then I'll slowly process the recipe. But in particular at home, when I add stock, otherwise it is difficult to cook in proper time. Because there is a limitation of time, so I have to cut down all that things there.
Okay. Thank you.
So, this is the rice paste. I make it with 1 cup or 2 cup of water. And now I add here for like half cup of rice. So,
are there any special rice, chef, or any rice?
any rice you can add, but I'm using the Joha rice. No. Yeah, right. Yeah. So it's a finely boil it, continue boil it. Now I add this one, turmeric juice. It's very healthy, also color very nicely, and I add say like 2 to 3 tablespoons.
To those who just joined, I should tell you what the turmeric juice chef is using is a fresh turmeric from Assam that he got, and it has been grated and the pulp or the juice is extracted. So
Because of induction, it's very difficult to cook this kind of recipe because you cannot control. So if you can control the things, because it's very delicate recipe, it's very slow process of cooking. So that's why I need heavy base pan. Yes. So I have to stir properly and then nicely.
yeah, you can come for the please. Please take a picture. Yeah, chef, I will ask.
So Sorry, you wait.
Chef, we have a question for you, Chef.
Okay, okay. I need you to water. Let's go.
Hello chef, I found your recipe very juicy, right? So I have seen you are using rice and lemon all together, right? Can we?
It's not lemon actually. I use only rice flour. It's not a lemon, only garlic. I use chili and the turmeric juice and rice flour.
There is no lemon on it, right?
No lemon.
Oh, all right. So my question is that if we make this with lemon, what kind of we are making rice beer? It's little lemony. Can we use it?
Oh no, rice beer is completely it's a fermented thing.
Oh,
You can,
okay.
because after fermenting it becomes tangy, you know like that.
Thanks,
So
sir.
it's not like that. This recipe is completely different.
Okay.
So usually the cooking this recipe, all tribes of Assam, so Boru, Rabat, Tiwa, everybody, but they eat the alkaline.
Can we have some cooking with wine, like?
No,
with
wine
Assam?
itself, no, in Assam it's very difficult to cook any my recipe with wine. Wine is a different subject. And
Yeah,
cooking,
homemade, homegrown, yeah, home.
you can change anything, but the original cooking is totally different.
Alright.
I cook only authentic, the original recipe, which is already
That was
lost.
all my questions. Thank you so much, chef.
And finally, I add the crust, black pepper, and crust it, and you add it. And slowly cheese, nicely add it. Black pepper, just one, the organic mix, and you just go down the root here. Now you add this one, this part. You can cut it, you can add it, you just add. Then I just cut. See the thing? Then add it. Later on, you remove it.
The leaf is edible?
Yeah, it's like everybody loves lai patta. You know, Northeastern people love lai patta. So हो गया, it's finished almost. Because already chicken is cooked, rice flour done nicely, everything I ate, and we are dust. Very nice, and finally, but this is very different. The rice will give you different taste, flavor.
Is this available in Delhi?
Yeah, Delhi, yes. Any, I think this yesterday night I went
Aine market.
Iron Market.
Aine market. Uska naam kya? What is the name?
Rye leaves.
RAI. RAI, right.
Okay. So I finished my cooking and no, really. So I did it. You can finally you did.
I was
Okay.
actually buying it.
And
Today is the last day.
and I ate this one. Yes,
This sauce, the dal in it as well, right?
yeah, it's rice-based sauce. Then finally, this one you edit, yeah. The dressing and okay, it's finished. I think it is a very simple recipe with a rice flour. It's a traditional tribal cuisine, and they cook it very slowly on their rustic kitchen. They cook it into recipe with their legacy. They explain. It's very difficult.
Here comes the master stroke from the master chef.
It's nice, be done. Okay.
Those who want to take a picture of the dish what chef made can do it on the left.
Because microwave cooking is the best cooking for everyone. And now it is a modern lifestyle. But for me, because I'm always prefer original cooking, the rustic cooking. It's very very nice. You don't have skin. You cannot eat whatever you put in your skin.
I'm very anti non-stick. Aluminium. Oh my god, that's really bad. Because you know, just cheaper. We have a special. What a fab type of lovely. I hate it. This is my
Anyone go for the tasting?
Interesting. I love your sari.
Requesting everyone to please hold on. Master is coming up.
Always the yellow and purple. We chose yellow and purple for years.
Oh, lovely. You're part of the organization.
Yeah, this also.
Which one is this? That's a
Okay.
fish. With artists and we need some proper. Very nice. It was really nice.
So allow first pictures.
Different.
Just put the tea in it.
Give me your dirty bowl. No, you dilute the flame.
Which fish is it?
This is
Very good. Very good.
just why I wasted. Shanjukta, we're going to take a little bit of bowl. So yeah, I tried. I like how I call you Shanjukta.
And our dear friends and Chef Joel Basmati of yesterday, that they put together this wonderful, wonderful real life presence with the cooking right in front of us, and the master classes have been a tremendously huge learning experience, which has converted a lot of us to the greens of the Northeast. We all can go to INA Market.